Hi, my name is Chris Walton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and I'm standing on a newly arrived 2020 Grady-White 326 center console. This is the one with the new side door entry. It's got a live well back here as well, along with a huge fish box. This boat is powered with twin Yamaha 300 fly-by-wire digital controls. Also have another live well back here at the stern, along with a freshwater sink. I love these drawers too, stainless steel with stainless steel drawer glides, very easy. Tackle storage. Overbuilt stainless steel. This is the best 3/16 stainless steel you can find in the business. Your console with your 3 captain's chairs. This one's also equipped with helm master, joystick control. It also has set points, so you can just push a button, it'll keep you within 10 feet of your spot. So if you want to hold over fish, you can do that. Trim tabs, suicide steering wheel with tilt. Really good fusion stereo system with a big subwoofer here. Moving forward, plenty of room in the head, freshwater sink, rod storage. You got a bow filler cushion. You also have, underneath of each one of these, are insulated fish boxes. And you also have bow backrest, which retract, you go back and move forward, which I really like. And you have the windlass anchor. You can control that from up here or at the helm. If you'd like to know more about this boat, give me a call on my cell at 850-974-6032.